morning, you guys. I know the lighting's not really a vibe and neither is the sound, but I'm just getting ready because I'm going to Sydney today. So I'm going to the House of Sephora event in Sydney, and it's essentially like a beauty trade show. A lot of media people go, a lot of creators go to see all the new things that Sephora is launching. I'm super excited to go because everyone raves about this event. They say it's like the best event of the year. Why is it so hard to use a colored eye gel? Like, I feel like it just gets everywhere. Why do my eyebrows look like that? I am definitely a clear brow gel girl. I'm gonna have to wipe these off. These look gross. I'm not crazy, right? Like, my eyebrows look really weird. Okay, I think we're done. It is unbelievably hot this morning. Before I do my hair and get changed and everything like that and sweat through everything, I'm just going to pack my bag. I love a big basket bag. It holds so much in it. And then I always just use like another bag's dust bag to put in here so that I don't have to then clean out the bag. I can just sort of pick this up and then put things away when I come home, or at least aim to. So I'm just gonna put that in there. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to put my hair up. So what should I start with? I think I'm gonna go with the bulkiest thing, which is my laptop. I don't know where I put the case, and if you know my struggles with this particular laptop, it has been chaos. I've had this since July last year, and I've had to get it fixed twice, and I've lost it because I put it on the roof of my car, and I had to follow this tradie home about 2 hours out of town to get this back. It was crazy. Anyway, so that's going in, and then I just have this book which just has a bunch of to-do lists and notes and everything like that in it. Chargers for my phone and laptop. The travel size Love by Killian fragrance. This is unbelievable, this smell. And look at the packaging. How beautiful is that? Breath spray to be minty fresh. One of these airplane travel hairbrushes, they always come in handy. My concealer if I'm gonna add any touch-ups. And today's lip combo, which is the MCO Beauty Cheeky Chat lip liner, which is literally a complete rip-off of the Charlotte Tilbury one. But I can't find my Pillow Talk Charlotte Tilbury lip pencil, so it'll do, pig, it'll do. And then I have the Kosas lip oil in Unbuttoned. This is such a nice shade. Beautiful. And I think I'm gonna wear my Celine Triomphe sunnies today, and they come in the coolest little case. Look at that. And you can wear it as a bag if you like. Very nice, very nice. God, I have the biggest pimple on my nose, but I'm here at the QVB because I always love to go to Coda Cutters when I'm in Sydney to get a hair facial. They do like a scalp and hair facial thing, and it's unbelievable. So I've got about an hour before the Sephora event starts, so let's go. These are literally the busiest toilets ever, but I'm using the Body Shop Vitamin C Concealer. It's really good. These events are always so scary because you never know who's gonna be there, and if you don't know anyone, it can be like a little bit intimidating, so wish me luck. Okay, we just finished up at the Sephora event. It was awesome. So many people there. And so many people are like, do I know you? I know I follow you, but like, do you know me? I don't know. Does that make sense? Anyway, I have been instructed by my boyfriend Jimmy to go get some Hague's chocolate because you can't get it in Brisbane. So let's go. One thing about vlogging is I love watching it, but it is so scary to do in public. Like, everyone stares at you and you can tell that they think you're the worst. I mean, plot twist, I am in fact the worst. This is the gift bag they gave us yesterday. It is 9 kilos, and I know that because I went through security with this bag. They weren't too impressed with it. Actually, they went to check my bag and they're like, hey, do you have any aerosols in this bag? And I was like, I actually literally don't know. Oh, by the way, it's the next day. I'm back in Brisbane. I'm actually at my sister's house because we like to do a little work from home together on Thursdays. So yeah, I thought we could go through this bag, see what tickles the fancy. And honestly, I cannot go through this much product. I am one person, so I think I'm going to do a little giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned. The Amika Dry Shampoo and Nourishing Mask. This is just launched in Australia. Then we have the viral Stone and Wood Natural Deodorant. This is such a nice scent. It's a new one. It's the Black Rose and Oud. I'd say it's a little bit more masculine than the one that I have, which is, I'll pop it on screen. You literally do not smell when you use this. The New Way Hair Gloss, they just launched this. A Makeup by Mario blush in Rose Crush. A mini Natasha Denona Neutrals palette. These are expensive. A Tarte Maracuja Juicy palette, and then a Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Lacquer lipstick, liquid lip, and it's in the shade Cherry. Some Alpha H products. This one's a little bit squished. First Aid Beauty Bronze and Glow Drops. I swear bronzing drops are taking over the world. Pixie Blush. A Banging Bod Lip and Cheek Gloss Balm, and this is in the scent Vanilla Chai. Oh, it smells so good. A Laneige Sleeping Mask. Nude Sticks eyeshadow sticks, and they all come in these really pretty purpley shades. A Nuxe Glowy Body Oil. I actually already have this. It's fantastic if you go out at night. 2 Huda Beauty plumping glosses, and I got the shades Foxy and Bombshell. And then I'm really excited about this new Rare Beauty brow gel. I was talking to one of the guys from head office because it was essentially a trade show, and he said that, yeah, Rare Beauty is really excited about this new brow gel. They think it's a real winner, so I'm keen to try that. Anyway guys, that is the end of the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm a little bit nervous about how this vlog is going to turn out because I'm just not great at filming myself in front of other people when I'm out. So who knows if this is even going to see the light of day, but if it does, comment a lipstick emoji because you might just get a little surprise in the mail. All right, mwah, I'll see you later.